Hello and welcome back to growNglow channel. My name is Pascal, otherwise known as Irish Chippy. Today I am going to do a review of an AeroGarden. This AeroGarden is called the Bounty Elite, and I'm not going to do a big unboxing for you. I took it out of the box. It comes in cardboard. There's no polystyrene, and I like that. Everything is recyclable. And it's so easy to put together. I'm going to do it with you now. So the AeroGarden Elite has a nice panel. It can also be connected to an app, and it can also be connected to Alexa, but we're not going to do that today. So the main tank here, this is the main tank, and we'll just put that down in there. We take up the main part here that holds the pods, and we will put this in place. This little wire here, pull it out like this and put that down there. Now that plugs into just here, okay? Just right behind there. And that's plugged in. All done. Now for our light. Our light comes with this stand. Now there's a USB on both ends, which makes it very easy. Not really. It's much easier because there's only 3 notches. So you cannot put it in the wrong way. There's 3 notches. So you can look where the 3 notches are there, and we can see it's like this. So I'll put it on this one first. So we can see, you can see your notches, 1, 2, 3. So we know it goes in there, and that goes in like that. And then we will put this one, we know then we're going to have this one square like this. And that goes in like that. We're done. Now, what do we do next? Well, this is adjustable up to, I think, 2 foot, 2 foot, which is 600 millimeters, or 60 centimeters, whatever way you like to call it. I'll just lift it up out of the way for a while, like this. Maybe easier for you to see. It's like a tripod. You loosen these and you pull them up, right? The power supply just plugs in here in the back. I'm not going to bring you around the back to see it. It just goes in like this. It's a standard one. Now, this is not very deep. So this is, if you're using not really a breakfast counter, an island here like this, and you put it on this side, you have still plenty of room on the back for preparing vegetables. So you can pull them off here and prepare them. Because it's only about 12 inches, I think. I didn't measure it, but it's about 12 inches, or 300 millimeters. So I'll bring it around here. I have a plug in here. We also use it. So I'm out there turning it on there, and it's asking me what happened. Start a new garden. Yeah, I turned it on earlier. I don't know how clear that is. I've brought this camera in here. I know it's going to be in your picture here, but I brought it in here so you can see the screen. It says, because I turned it off, it says the power went out. No, I unplugged it because it was kind of set up. So, no, it says here, start a new garden. But before you do that, you can set, it's very simple. I'm not going to take you through all the menus, because if you can use a cell phone, you can use this. It tells you how, what time you wanted to come on in the morning every day at. And they recommend 16 hours. So I have this that it comes on. Where we live here, the sun comes up at about 5 and goes down at 6 most of the year round. In the US, and that it will be different. You will have winter and summertime, a big difference, depending on how far south you are. Down in Florida, and that it's pretty much even as well. There's a button here, it's called Quick Plant, and that's what we're going to do today. And I didn't do it before. I'm going to come back to you in a couple of weeks with part 2, and part 2 will be while they're growing, and maybe over a different period. But for today, we're just going to put everything in. We're going to put water in here when it tells me. It didn't tell me yet. It comes with this little menu here. It's like only a couple of pages. So it's not a very complex thing. I'm not getting it wet there, but there's only 4 pages on it or something like this. And so what we'll do is we will press quick, start a new garden. Yeah, quick plant, okay? Quick plant, start. Time at the moment. Oh, set your clock before you touch the next button. Okay, so we're going to set the clock now, right? So, okay, next. Oh. So when I press next, then it's after turning on the light because it should be working now. And then I press next again. It says, what are you growing? Now we're growing as I mentioned earlier, we're growing herbs, or herbs, as you say in the US, with the silent H. So we will press, it has option of tomatoes, lettuce, herbs. So we press herbs and see what it says. So for herbs, your light will be on for 15 hours a day. Touch next, okay? So now I can tell you what time it comes on it. So I am going to change it now again. I'm going to change it that it comes on. It says 8 a.m. to 11. So I will change this one on the hours. I will change this one to 6 in the to 5 in the morning. And now it tells me it's 15 hours. Now what it says now is to add water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the water. Inside here it says fill to here. It's very clear. Now, what water do you use? Well, it recommends that you use filtered water, if available, not tap water. Now, I'm going to have to get 3 jugs of this. This is a huge tank. The reason it's a huge tank is this model does not have to be filled as often. I'm after putting 2 full jugs and a little bit more of this in, and this is a big jug. I don't know how many liters it is, but I think it's 2 liters. And so it probably takes 4 or 5 liters in here. And when it's full, besides the fill to here, it actually changes here to full. So it's saying full in here. Okay. It says to put the pods in before I put the fertilizer. When you get these boxes of stuff, the fertilizer comes in with them, and the little pods come with them as well. So what we're going to do is, this is what they look like. They're very small, and you can see inside there's a bit of... so what we do is we're going to just put them in there like this. We push them down. So I'm going to put the 9 of these in. That's parsley. And this one. I'm going to put them in random. Okay, so they should be able to go in random. This is very easy. There's an instruction with this. It tells you how much fertilizer to put in, because it depends. So I'm going to read that now. Miracle Grow helped me develop this with them. I think it's Miracle Grow makes it for them. It's nurtured by Miracle Grow, it says. So it tells you on the side here. So for 9 pods, it says 2 milliliters, 2 cupfuls, 8 milliliters, 2 cupfuls. So that's 16. 2 cupfuls starting and second feeding. The second feeding will occur when it tells you to put more water in, okay? And thereafter, after that, you will be putting in, it says 3 cupfuls, okay? So that will be 12 milliliters. So don't overdo it when you're putting in the fertilizer. Put in exactly what they tell you. There's no need to mix it up because there's a pump inside this. And that's it. We should be ready to go now. So what we do is we put the buds on. They're a bit flimsy, but they're okay. They'll do the job. Here. And so there we go. The cover wasn't on properly on one of them there, so these don't sit down so well. So what we do then is we're going to press next. Or no, not next. It says okay. Are you ready to start? Yes, but we're not really, because we're going to let this down, right, aren't we? We're going to let it down about 4 inches from the dome, or 5 inches, I think. This is very easy to move up and down. Some things, it's plasticky, but this is metal, but this plastic seems good quality. Somebody made a mention there that it's not good quality. It feels good quality. It's not like your average cheap thing. So we're going to press OK. Note, your pump will run 1 hour every 11 hours, okay? When germination mode. After 2 weeks, it shifts automatically to the best pump cycle for your planted garden. How about that? So we don't have to worry about that either. So it's going to run for 1 hour every 11 hours. And then we press finish. So now it says it's full, the screen is showing it's full, it's showing, there's a menu here and you can go through lots of different menu button. It's very nice touch screen on this. It's like some things you get on the touch screen is not so good. I would say it's good quality. So what we're going to do is, so that's the end of part one of the AeroGarden. I will come back with part two, and hopefully we will have part two will be in over a period of time, over a period of like maybe hopefully they will sprout some of them in 1 week, and I might start at 2 weeks and then bring it into 3 parts, all into one video. So thank you very much for watching this short video. If you like this video or any of our other videos here on growNglow, please subscribe up above here.